Hey everyone, quick little video here. Look, I'm about to start a project and I wanted to adjust the colors of the Spark 1 project. At the moment, it is all defaulting to this blue color. Well, sorry, purple color. So I'm just going to walk you through how you can update that. So as you're probably aware, they're just utilizing the theme pretty heavily, and within the theme, they have all the different units and kind of like utility styles, variables that are utilized throughout the project. Now, the main one you're wanting to focus on is brand. So the brand colors are the ones that are being utilized to emphasize primary buttons and secondary buttons and outlines and things like that, but this will be the color that you're wanting to change. So one thing to note is that you can see it's brand 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. If we come up to the Radix colors system, so if you just find the radix-ui.com site, come to colors, there is a whole pile of colors there for you to choose from. So you can just choose which one's closest to yours, or you can be more specific, but me, I am just wanting to use this pink one. So it's really simple. Each one of these represents a number from 1 through to 12, I think it is. Yeah. So you can see this is pink 12, and if I go to here, it's pink 1. And that's all we're replacing here from 1 through to 12. So I'm just going to go through and update mine, and then I'll show you the project after that. So we will get pink 12. Come to brand and then color. Oops. Brand 12. Then we'll come to pink 11. Copy that. Brand. Cool. I've come through and copied all of these through. So now I've got pink as my brand. And if we come through and we now take a look at this again, and as we start coming through, you'll see that all of the purple has now switched to the pink. So we'll see pink being more of the primary color now, because that's my brand color. And it's all just that straightforward, really. So that's how you go through and just change the brand colors for the Spark 1 template. So to add to that, if you have a very specific color that you would like to use, you can come through and click on the custom palette, and then from here you can choose what your accent color is going to be. So let's say if I did want that pink, but I wanted a very specific kind of color of it, I can come through and utilize this here, or you can use Hex or HSL, whatever, to find your primary color. And then from there, look, let's go do something a bit different. Let's do like a teal color. And then from there you can switch between light mode and dark mode just to see what the design would look like. So we can, even though this is Radix, it's Spark 1 is based off Radix, so it gives us a rough idea of what it would look like. So mine's going to be in dark mode, and then from here you can also choose the grays and backgrounds and things. I'm just not going to touch them. I'm just going to focus on the accent in dark mode, and I'm happy with that. So all I would do from there is go through and do the same thing. Copy from 1 to 12 through to the theme file of the project, and replacing the brand group. And from there you should be good to go. All pretty straightforward, but this is a great way to add a little bit more customization. Hope this helped.